The reasons why we make our own homemade custard powder is to avoid preservatives, control the ingredients, using different flavors of our choice, customizing the texture to our own preference, making it from scratch, and freshness is also cost effective. Today we are going to make our own custard powder. Let's dive into it right now. The ingredients needed are cornstarch, icing sugar, powdered milk, egg yellow and flavor. The flavor can be vanilla, banana or strawberry. The ingredients can be found from our baking stores. The full ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. In a mixing bowl, pour your icing sugar, your egg yellow, your powder milk and your flavor. You sieve them together to remove any dirty particle. You later add your cornstarch to it and sieve also. After sieving, you mix them thoroughly. The egg yellow should be adjusted to your desired color. After mixing, put the mixture into an airtight container. And shake it very well. Shake it very well so that they will mix properly. This is your homemade custard, ready to use. To make your custard, put 2 spoons of custard with water to form a smooth paste. Boil some water and pour it over the custard paste. This is our homemade custard. If the custard is too thick, you add more water to loosen up a bit to your desired preference. You can serve this homemade custard while warm and you enjoy it with akara, pancake, bread. The choice is yours. However you want it, you use